Welcome to this video on Mastering Basic Physiology. This covers high-yield concepts essential for various nursing exams, including NORCET, RRB, ESIC, and AIIMSCRE. I am Mr. Nagesh Sir, your expert presenter. Let's begin with our first question. Which ion is primarily responsible for establishing and maintaining the resting membrane potential of a typical mammalian cell? The correct answer is potassium, K+. The resting membrane potential is largely determined by the cell membrane's high permeability to potassium ions, which diffuse out and leave a net negative charge inside the cell. The sodium-potassium pump is vital for primary active transport. What is its exact stoichiometric ratio during one cycle of ATP hydrolysis? The correct ratio is 3 Na plus out and 2 K plus in. This pump uses ATP energy to move 3 sodium ions out and 2 potassium ions in, maintaining crucial concentration gradients for cell volume and action potentials. Next, during an action potential in a typical neuron, the rapid upstroke or depolarization phase is primarily caused by the sudden influx of which ion? The correct answer is sodium, Na+. When the neuron reaches the threshold, voltage-gated sodium channels open quickly, allowing a rapid influx of sodium ions that swiftly changes the membrane potential from negative to positive. In physiological terms, osmosis is specifically defined as the net movement of what? Osmosis is the passive diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane toward an area of higher solute concentration. Water moves to equalize the osmolarity on both sides of the membrane. Which fundamental physiological mechanism is primarily responsible for maintaining homeostasis in the human body? The answer is negative feedback loops. These loops counteract an initial change, bringing a physiological variable like temperature or blood pressure back to its stable set point. What is the most important and abundant extracellular buffer system responsible for maintaining the blood pH tightly between 7.35 and 7.45? The primary buffer is the bicarbonate carbonic acid buffer system. Its strength lies in its dual regulation by the lungs controlling CO2 and the kidneys controlling bicarbonate and H+ levels. Which specific neurotransmitter is released at the neuromuscular junction to initiate skeletal muscle contraction? The answer is acetylcholine, ACH. ACH binds to receptors on the muscle fiber, opening sodium channels and initiating the action potential that leads to muscle contraction. During muscle contraction, calcium ions released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum must bind to which specific protein to expose the myosin binding sites? Calcium binds specifically to troponin. This binding causes a change that moves tropomyosin, allowing the myosin heads to attach to actin and initiate the power stroke. In ventricular cardiac muscle cells, what ion is responsible for the unique plateau phase or phase 2 of the action potential? The plateau phase is caused by the slow influx of calcium, Ca2+. This influx extends the refractory period, which is essential to prevent tetanic contractions and ensure proper heart filling. On a standard electrocardiogram, ECG, the QRS complex represents which precise physiological event in the cardiac cycle? The QRS complex represents ventricular depolarization. This electrical event immediately precedes ventricular contraction. Atrial depolarization is the P wave, and ventricular repolarization is the T wave. Which physiological condition will cause a, quote, shift to the right in the oxygen-hemoglobin dissociation curve, promoting oxygen release to tissues? The correct answer is increased hydrogen ion concentration, or acidosis. A right shift decreases hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen, facilitating O2 release to actively metabolizing acidic tissues. This is the Bohr effect. Pulmonary surfactant is essential for normal lung mechanics. Which cells produce it, and what is its primary function? Surfactant is produced by type 2 pneumocytes, and its main function is to decrease alveolar surface tension. This prevents smaller alveoli from collapsing during exhalation, a risk described by Laplace's law. In the nephron, which force is the primary driving pressure that favors filtration at the glomerulus, creating the glomerular filtration rate, GFR? The driving force is the glomerular capillary hydrostatic pressure, which is the blood pressure inside the glomerulus. It pushes water and solutes out of the blood and into Bowman's capsule. The renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS, regulates blood pressure. What acts as the initial physiological trigger for the release of renin from the juxtaglomerular cells? Renin release is triggered by decreased blood pressure or decreased sodium at the macula densa. This cascade initiates the RAAS to ultimately increase blood pressure. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, concentrates urine. What is its exact mechanism of action in the kidney? ADH concentrates urine by inserting aquaporin 2 channels into the collecting duct cells. These channels make the ducts permeable to water, allowing water to be reabsorbed back into the blood. Parietal cells in the gastric mucosa have a dual role. What two specific substances do these cells secrete? Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid, HCl, an intrinsic factor. HCl creates the acidic environment for digestion. An intrinsic factor is required for vitamin B12 absorption. Bile is synthesized in the liver. What is the primary physiological function of bile salts in the digestive process? The primary function of bile salts is the emulsification of large fat droplets into smaller micelles. This increases the surface area for enzymes like pancreatic lipase to break down triglycerides. The pituitary gland is a master endocrine organ. Which two hormones are synthesized in the hypothalamus but stored and released from the posterior pituitary? The posterior pituitary releases oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone, ADH. These hormones are produced by neural cell bodies in the hypothalamus and transported for storage and release. What is the primary, broad physiological effect of thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, on the human body? Thyroid hormones primarily increase the basal metabolic rate, BMR. They increase cellular metabolic activity, mitochondria, and heat production in nearly every body cell. Finally, cortisol protects the body during prolonged stress primarily by promoting which metabolic process? Cortisol protects the body during stress by stimulating gluconeogenesis in the liver. This process creates new glucose from non-carbohydrate sources like amino acids and glycerol. Which of the following physiological responses is characteristic of parasympathetic nervous system or rest and digest activation? The correct answer is increased gastrointestinal motility and secretion. The parasympathetic system promotes digestion by increasing peristalsis and secretions while conserving energy. Cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, cushions the brain and spinal cord. What specific anatomical structure is primarily responsible for the production of CSF? CSF is continuously produced by the choroid plexus, a network of cells and capillaries found within the ventricles of the brain. It flows through the system before being reabsorbed.